Good evening, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here with your evening webcast. Okay, 5-minute chart and just a quick look at today. So, 9:30 we open here. The opening print at 9:30, 68.76.25. We opened on the highs. We never came back. We spent the day trying to deal with 45, 35. And, as we've seen over the last few weeks, and I'll show you on the hourly chart again, we talked about this last night, these move downs, these little pop downs continue to be defended. And you can see at the end of the day, this was 230 and a higher low and another higher low. And we end up closing above hourly midband, which is your red line here. Volume weighted average price, proprietary moving average, and just about everything. And we spend another day where we don't come in and challenge anything. Here's a daily chart. You can see it's just a little slow bleed up. It's a little slow bleed up towards 6,900, and your high at the moment is 81.25. Which takes out yesterday's high by a tad, but you can see what they're doing here, and we're above everything. 9-day, you can see the 9-day starting to rush up now to meet price because things are flattening out, and you're starting to work the downside off of it because it's a 9-period moving average. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all this downside's been worked off. So as a function of time or as a function of price, we will see the 9-day. But weekly pivot, 20-day, monthly pivot, 50-day, these things aren't in play. And the tape has very little interest of putting any of them in play. And as long as that's true, we're going to continue to march. And we march to 6,900. Then we march up here to the November 12th high, which is 6,900. And if you take that out, then you really don't have much between 6,900 and 69.53.75, unless we get data points or things that the tape doesn't like, and the bears can start to convert some of these areas on a closing basis and bring it in. So I know I'm a broken record right now, but it needs to be emphasized because consolidation periods. The tape is a broken record right now. But what we've seen in Globex tonight is a steady march from 7 p.m. Converting the hourly midband at 65 and taking it up to 81. So we'll see if that holds through the Europe session, and we'll talk more in the morning, obviously. Hourly chart, more of the same. Big candle down, defended. Here, 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 and again today, here. These big moves down are being defended, and they are resulting ultimately in higher highs. And as long as that happens, it continues to be advantage bulls. All right. In the morning, we're going to discuss a little bit more particulars, a little more about the calendar. We'll see where we stand, and we'll get the best levels for the morning trade and get us through Friday and finish out the week strong. All right. Have a fantastic night. Trade them well. I'm back in the morning.